Hey guys, I hope you're well and staying safe. I know I'm in a different location because my room is in use at the moment, so I can't film up there. But I decided to film a different sort of video because recently I have been sharing some of my paintings. You may not know, I do painting. Long story short, basically I stopped painting after I finished high school, so this was my first time getting back into painting. And like before this I didn't paint at all until I left high school, and since I've been sharing a lot on my Instagram and TikToks, I've been getting so much love for all the paintings, which I'm super grateful for. Thank you so much for all the love on my paintings. Even though my paintings are perfect, after sharing it I thought, let me film a video of me actually painting something, like a time lapse, and I thought let me try something different since a lot of you loved it. So this is basically what I've painted ever since I got back into painting. So I do it in a sketchbook just because like it's just practice, just for me to get back into painting. So this is basically my first one. It's like a sunset, some lemons that I painted, and I've got this that I painted. A lot of you love the lemons and this one specifically as well. And then I've got peacock, and then I've got this pretty lady, just random, and then like pink skies. This is not the best, but the lemons were most of your favorites. I decided to paint another fruit, and this time I'm going to paint oranges. So yeah, that's what I'm going to do. And I know I'm going to get questions for this. I do use acrylic painting, which I bought from Wilco, and you can even buy from Amazon. I do have some paints from Amazon, and I do mix it with bits of water to kind of dilute the paint, because I am using a sketchbook, so the paper's not good quality for paint. A lot of you have been saying to continue sharing these, so I will start sharing these more on my socials. If you're not following me, make sure you follow me. I'll insert it over here, but I do post a lot on there. But yeah, I'm just going to do a time lapse of me painting, and I hope you guys enjoy. this is basically the oranges that I've just painted. I'm actually quite happy with how they turned out. I'm not happy with the shadow. It's a bit kind of bumpy, but it is what it is. I mean, I'm just practicing as I go and I'm getting better at it. Let me know in the comments what you think. Give this video a thumbs up if you enjoyed it, if you like this painting. And yeah, thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment and subscribe. Stay safe. I love you guys so much and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye guys.